वेलकम टू वेल्स क्विक टिप्स एंड ट्रिक यूट्यूब कुकिंग चॅनल. सगळ्यांक तुमकां येवकार म्हज्या कुकिंग चॅनलाचेर. आनी आयज तुमकां दाखयता आमचें चिकन ब्रेड, गोवन चिकन ब्रेड. ओके, ताका लागून वॉट वी नीड फॉर this is all purpose flour, that is our maida, and 3 cups of this, 3 cups of this, then 1.5 teaspoon of yeast, 1 teaspoon of sugar, a pinch of salt, 1 egg because we are going to make chicken bread, warm water where we have to prove our yeast, and this is chicken. Okay, so finely chopped. You can use chicken meats also, but if not, then you just cook your chicken in whichever way you want, spice how you want. So this is me. I've cooked this with chicken masala powder, homemade chicken masala powder, ginger garlic paste, and this is half kg of chicken, boneless chicken, and I've added 1 potato to this. So this way, but feeling in the chicken bread is absolutely upon you. तर हांवें एक जे घेतला ते अर्दो किलो चिकनाचे मांस घेतला, आनी तुमच्यान खिमो घेवं येता, आनी तुमकां जो जाय पळय ते तुमी रानात आनी कोरात. ओके, आनी हेका लागून हें पीठ जाय, मैदाचो पीठ जाय, एक तांती जाय, मीठ जाय, साखर जायी, आनी आमचें ईस्ट जाय. ओके, आनी तेका लागून ल्यूक वॉर्म वॉटर पूण जाय. तर आतां हें मोवपाक स्टार्ट करुया. सो उदक, वॉटर यूज एज पर यू नीड, slowly and make it into a soft dough. Check my other bread recipes where I have shown everything. If you want chicken keema recipe, that also is there. Chicken chili fry is there where you can add for your stuffing. So check all that is there on the YouTube channel. And now we will add little water and knead this. Butter or oil is up to you once you need these. So here it is done. Now we'll leave this for proving and add some few drops of olive oil. If you want to add butter, you can add butter, but olive oil gives a nice flavor. Like 1 tablespoon oil you can drizzle and leave it for proving. Okay, so now for this keema I'll be I've not added any oil while cooking this. So now what I will do, I will take 1 onion finely chopped, few curry leaves, and few masalas like chili powder and haldi powder and coriander powder, and I will add this. You don't need to add any salt or anything for this because everything is added while I cooked. Only I will be giving like a bagar for this because onions I had not added, only tomatoes, no green chili I have added, only tomato and potato. Okay, and these are fenugreek leaves, dry fenugreek leaves. So I have taken 2 tablespoons of oil and few curry leaves. And now we'll add our chopped onion to this. So it is 1 big size chopped onion. So if you are taking smaller size, then it will be 2 of that. So this is the size of onion. Fry this onions nicely. Medium flame. One teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. One tablespoon of homemade chili powder. Then we'll add 2 teaspoons of coriander powder and half teaspoon of turmeric powder. A pinch of asafoetida. This is optional, and we mix this. Fry this for few minutes till the masalas are nicely fried. So chicken masala is already added in the chicken when I cooked it. Only this masalas were not added, which I am doing. Salt is also added, but you can check the salt and then add accordingly. We'll add half of lime juice to this. Half. And now at this stage we will add our chicken. Now we'll add our boneless chicken to this. Mix this and cook this only till this all flavors go in this. Then cover it and let it cool down. And then we can add it to our chicken, the bread which we can stuff it. तो आता एका बरे भशेन मिक्स करात आणि मागीर तेका कोरिएंडर घालात, हे पुदीना garnish with coriander leaves, and it's done. I've covered this only for 5 minutes and it's done. So here it is, it's done, and we'll garnish this nicely. If any water is there, let it get this, because we want it dry, sukka, for our stuffing. to grow sukko gorat. Next time to borunga no itu taka lago. So high flame putta dao. So I'm doing it on high flame now. Garnish this with nice of mint leaves and coriander leaves, and it's done. And then let it get cool down. Let our dough, which is kept for proving, let it come to a double size, and then we'll do the stuffing. Thank you. So it's nicely double the size. Keep your egg ready, butter ready. If you want to add some sesame seeds, till, then keep your baking all trays ready, and your keema too. Keep your oven also ready, 180 degrees, preheat for 20 minutes. Keema is also nicely cooled down. So we'll take the egg. Then how many breads you want to make out of this, that is up to you. Bake small. So what you have to do now, take this, and we have to roll this. Dust some flour, some dry Then we will add our chicken to this. Then you fold this way and this way, and then you can fold it this way. Place it. So same way we will do other one. So I will show you one more. and the remaining you have to do the same way. Then again leave it for 10 minutes for proving little bit. Till then you can preheat your oven also. Then we put our chicken in this. So size is according to your. The first one I made the smaller size, then I made the bigger one, and we'll keep this for 10 to 15 minutes. So now let's give a egg wash on them. Nicely give. Give some sesame seeds. Now it will go for baking. The oven is already preheated. And it will be for 25 minutes. So here is our breads ready. Chicken breads are ready. So apply little butter. Optional, if you don't want to, then it's okay, but it will give a good taste. So the breads, and then we have to cover it with some cloth. So we'll soak wet cloth on this for a few minutes, and then it's ready to eat. So here our breads are ready to eat. It's always good to eat these breads hot. So either you can eat directly or you cut it and eat it. Hope you all will enjoy this. Try this recipe. Thank you so much for watching us. Thank you. Yummy and delicious Goan chicken bread. Try this recipe and make it in your home. मानता तुमकां सगल्यांक ह्यो आवडटलो आनी तुमी ह्यो गोंयचो चिकनाचो पाव करून खातेलीन चिकन ब्रेड. थँक यू. देव बरें करूं.